What did we just learn? Mario, we just learned something.
It's the suit, bitch.
It's
I
the
have
suit.
that suit.
We
I
don't
have
you know
that
what?
suit.
Well, it's the
don't
quality,
have
the
that
hair, the
suit.
skin.
Yeah,
You don't like the green sweatshirt t-shirt with the... It's not happening for you.
It's not working.
Superhero thing doesn't take
It doesn't work. It ain't
All those
happening.
Garanimal
Superman.
underwear.
Right.
Dudes wear those Garanimal underwear.
That's cold. Okay, so
Yeah.
Trey, we have to come with the suit next time, bro.
Yeah, that's what it is.
It ain't working, so obviously we're
No.
failing. We're failing.
Fail.
That's all right. Next. All right, let's go to the next one, man. The next one is this third one up says Drake. Say something good or don't say nothing at all. Mario, go ahead and run. Push that puppy up.
Next.
Up.
Yeah.
Yeah, there we go. It's very simple. You either like it. Now I think I know how this is coming. Watch this.
You look like a vampire. Like something from
Is that a
Twilight.
negative?
Yeah. See,
got
Victor
Vic
did
over
there's
there
something up with that, Victor. Victor did something.
I did.
Yeah.
What did I do?
You want us to rate that because you want us to seriously rate that? I'm not doing that because you know what?
What?
He's got a lobster burn on his chest. Underneath his arms is all pale and like fishy, froggy white.
Do you understand what
He
they're
did that
talking
on
about?
purpose.
Wait a
No,
minute.
I'm
Wait a
not
minute.
rating it.
Wait
You
a
don't like the way he
minute.
shaved his armpits?
Wait a minute.
No, I'm not rating it.
Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Wait a
I'm
minute.
writing that in the
Wait a
chat
minute.
room.
Wait a minute.
Y'all
You said I did something to this picture.
Yo.
He looks scary for me.
No,
I think
you chose this picture
I
for
think
some
a
reason
road
to
board-
bag on us. It's a trick. Don't.
Hey, you guys. I like setting them up. See what I did? I actually planted the seed. Trey, you notice that? I said.
Yeah, see?
I said, watch this, and they fell for it.
They fell right.
They fell for it.
Number one, the filthy.
he
50.
scares me.
Yeah, that ain't. It was bad lighting.
Well, if I show you his legs, that'll
Composition.
help.
Oh
No.
God, he probably got hooves
I know,
Okay.
right?
or talons.
Okay. Well then, so
Or,
here we go.
No, go to the next one.
Oh
yeah,
no
I'm
no
getting terrified looking at it.
no! Wait a minute! Wait a minute! Wait a minute! You guys
That's
got
not
to tell me. You got to give me a number.
No,
He, a 2.
one,
Yeah.
because he's got a nice body, and he's older too.
One, because he got
Yeah.
a nice front.
Wait a minute! Wait a minute!
I give it 2 to the body, but he look creepy.
Wait a minute!
Yeah.
You guys are giving him
Yeah, his
a one.
eyes are too dark.
Okay, tell me,
Demonish.
guys. You know what, Mario
That's
Trey?
scary.
We're good
He'd
at
probably
being.
howl if you gave him
We know how to
something.
tell
Right.
somebody what's wrong, but you guys
You
can't
gotta
figure
break
it out.
The animals in the bedroom.
You guys can't figure it out.
roar or something like that.
So you guys can't figure out what's wrong.
Yeah, we can see it. He's
Creepy.
Yeah.
That's what's wrong. He a
That's the
Twilight
detail.
member.
Okay. Okay.
Just
So.
look creepy.
First pick.
Okay. So the.
Oh,
Okay.
audition.
All right. So. All right. Then give him a number. Then just give him a number.
I said 2.
Danny.
I thought vampires were in. You don't watch Twilight?
I thought, yeah.
True Blood.
Yeah.
What happened to all that?
Blood, baby.
Danny. What was the number again?
what?
They don't mind you that 5 days.
Okay. You know what? Mara, let's go on to the next one because like I said, we can't make them see what they want to see. Now, I like this picture because it has a statement. Marquez Mattel says, "Ignore the fingers if you don't like my picture." Now, you tell me what you like. Tell me what you don't like.
That's a little too Flavor Flav for us. That's just not.
What's up with the pose?
I like the
What's
toes in.
Is he jerking? I mean,
Yeah.
He's crank. He's crunking.
oh,
Tell me what you
wow.
like. Tell me what you don't like.
Okay,
He's getting a crunk.
okay, number one.
He got
that's
a
it.
crunk in his trunk.
Okay, wait a
You like
minute.
number one.
So do you like his picture?
Does he get to go home?
Don't answer that.
I
because
can't
it's-
answer it. I don't know what it would fall
Remember,
under.
she's got to have it. Remember Spike's character. She's
Maz.
got to have
You don't
it.
like Maz.
Wait a minute. You guys can't vote if you like the picture or not.
No, what about school days?
Okay.
Spike Lee.
Yeah, there you go. Same thing.
Nope.
Yeah.
Okay, so let me get the number then. Let me get the number. You said a 1 and a, you said a 1 and a 2, right?
Negative
Okay.
I don't
Negative
think
1.
he made the chart.
Okay. Now you notice he says
How
ignore.
about one of them charity fucks?
No.
No.
You know, he just
See,
feel
that's
sorry
Maz
for a
thing.
brother.
No.
I used to tell girls in college, well, he just fuck me because nobody else will. Give me one of them old charity fucks. Feel good.
Can I just please get
Take a brother home who don't never get no good pussy and let him have yours.
Me and my
Well,
car.
Okay. Okay.
Charity. It's charity.
So this young
Not the
brother.
needy or the greedy, huh?
So this young brother who's like about 20, 21. It ain't working for you guys, right?
No.
Okay.
Not even a pew.
Not even charity, huh?
Not
He's
even
just jerking, dancing, and then he just got caught off guard and he took the picture.
I got you. I got you. All right, Mario. Let's roll back and see who their number 1 is, my
Number
brother.
one,
Oh, is that
Number
simple?
1, I said the first one.
The first one?
Spartacus.
Oh.
Between the first and the
Okay,
second
Okay,
guy.
well, we had Matthias Mattel,
Get ready for
Marquez
the-
Mattel. Then we had
Okay.
Drake say something good, which you guys didn't say, and then you went there to the straight.
He was number 2.
So you guys got this guy second on your
Yeah,
list?
yeah.
Okay, and the first guy is the one that has all the extra oil on him. That is Andre B. The mirror gives you the front
The
and
other one
back.
doesn't come close.
Okay, so Sharon only had a problem with this one because the pose, because he's a
He's
muscle.
like,
Yeah.
girl,
Yeah.
meet me at Starbucks.
They're taking
Check
skin
out my
photos.
shoes. Girl.
How you on?
Okay.
I'm
They
shy.
should
Eat
have
at
them at
Starbucks.
Okay. So let's continue
No,
on.
he's man. I don't care what any of you say.
Let's continue on. Those
Filthy
who
15.
that like a lot of milk, Jessica J said I got extra
Squeeze
milk.
him, pump him.
And Trey Love said, you
That's
know
somebody's
what?
Grandma.
This one can work it hard, better than you think. I know. I got your back on that one, Trey. I
Appreciate
got
it, bro.
you. Then we go up to the one I think that if we're in the club and we see this,
Lilac
guys,
hair. Yeah, right.
your imagination is my request.
Look
All
at
right,
here.
there you go. So to keep it rolling.
She look girlfriendish.
Oh.
That one there,
Oh.
Angela Hunter, girlfriendish.
Oh man,
Like
there you go.
That's
There you
wifey,
go.
wifey.
There-
I ain't
you.
say wife, I said
He
girlfriend.
said girlfriend.
That's right. Divorcee.
That's cool.
Yeah, I ain't but
Okay.
she can hang with me.
Okay, now this one brings in the next one up. Sophisticated lips. Erica Mashan. If you see the lips close up, this sister got some lips. I'm sorry.
Got them Eric
Lipstick on the
lips-
dipstick.
You see those lips? Those lips can wrap around some chitlins. Okay.
I'm telling you, neck bone. I want to see you eat some neck bone.
There you go.
I love to watch black women eat neck bone.
There you go, Mario. That's right.
Man, they
Endorse.
Crabs is almost as good. Why don't they eat some crabs?
They're not paying attention
Crab
to you.
legs.
They're not paying attention to you. You know why?
Yeah, they trying
They're trying to go to
They
the
don't want. They won't eat those. They want crab legs. They go out with their girlfriends.
Yeah.
If they have a neck bone, they won't invite you over.
And we go to the last one here, the one that I think does a close tie, or I'm saying
She speaks Spanish too.
Jessica, I'm sorry. If you were wearing some jeans, Jessica, and something else, I think you would have rocked number one. Easy.
Yeah.
She's bad. I'm sorry. She's bad. I'm sorry.
Is beautiful.
She is
She's
beautiful.
bad.
Is
She's
beautiful.
bad.
Oh, man.
I would love to have one of them thighs laid on me.
Talk.
She's so bad. She needs punishing.
Right.
She needs punishment.
Let me get a close up on the
Assume the
ladies.
position.
Let's see this. Let's see. Let me get a close up now. Let me go to the ladies. Disinterested. Spartacus still on
Yeah,
his brain.
we're still looking at
Sharonda's too cool to go. Yeah.
Still
Okay.
got the cold 15.
Yeah. Okay. Mario, that was it, man. You did an excellent job
There we go. Hot
of bringing
pick.
down the show. Thank you very
My
much.
picks, baby.
Trey Love brought it the real. The girls, disinterested.
They don't know
They
better.
got all
Okay.
kinds of stuff on
They
there.
don't know any better.